Are you overly self-critical? Who isn't? And when we're overly self-critical, it's kind of a polite way of saying, I'm really in pain. And we don't always know it. We don't know that's what's happening. We're so familiar with being self-critical. And there's a part of us that thinks it's probably not so good because it doesn't feel good. But it is really strong. Like the habit of anger, this habit of self-criticism is just about like breathing for many people, especially in the modern world. And we just don't have time to sit down and learn. And we don't have wisdom without Buddha's teachings. If you found teachings that will help you get rid of your anger, fantastic, then do it. But I didn't find any. Maybe there are some out there now, but mostly it's not about getting rid of our anger. It's about justifying it. Anger is a very self-justifying attitude, but that doesn't make it right. It isn't right. It's destructive.